Hi, Ryu here. I'm a UX designer and also a founder of Real World UX. Today, I wanted to cover this topic. Adobe Content-Aware Fill, blurring real and fake. Okay, let's dive in. Content-Aware Fill in Adobe Photoshop allows you to remove an unwanted object out from a scene in a photograph. AI is used to fill the pixels smartly, but it does require quite a bit of trial and error. Here's an example of removing two people from a beach. When I tried first by selecting two people together, the result had a bit of an unnatural wave at where people were. So I tried again by making separate selection per person. The result was much better. It looks like Photoshop was able to consider how the wave looked like between two people and use that as a sample when filling up the space where people were before. I also tried one of popular mobile app called Ucam Perfect. The result seemed that the shape of the wave were more evenly distributed, but it also looked blurry and repetitive. Another example that I tried is a sunset photo. I removed two poles by selecting one after another. Overall, both Photoshop and Ucam Perfect did great job removing those two poles. Adobe also enabled Content-Aware Fill in After Effects for a video. I tried a few times and got it working, but it looks like the feature is very memory intensive, and a lot of times it didn't work for me. Here's a comparison of before and after footage of Content-Aware Fill in Adobe After Effects. As you can see, even though it's a pretty straightforward example, Content-Aware Fill couldn't handle when the camera changed the perspective and the tube came close to a chair. As a result, it eclipsed the contour of the chair, creating noticeable unnatural artifact. Right now, it's not perfect, but I can see that these issues will be solved as the algorithm improves. But it starts to blur the line between real and fake. Are these photos and videos fake or real? You could argue it's fake because it's manipulated. You could also argue it's real because it tried to match how the scene would have looked like if there weren't those objects. The photo and video examples that I created are harmless. It's for my personal and educational use. But what happens if someone manipulates a photo or a video with a malicious intention and alter the reality and use it as an evidence to prove something that is not true? There are already so many similar softwares and apps out there. Digital data is so easy to manipulate. It will only get easier, better, more realistic as the underlying algorithms get better and better. AI-powered image manipulation is unlocking the whole new level of exciting possibilities and ever-expanding pitfalls. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Feel free to put any comments, suggestions, or questions. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.